Okay, test number 2 on a Q plate using a WD-40 brake parts cleaner and ThreeBond Super Cleaner. So this is a Q plate coated with the engine oil, used engine oil on a Q plate, and this will be the first test spray, right? First test on the ThreeBond. A general spray on a WD-40. So this is after about maybe 15 seconds. This is ThreeBond. Okay. Second spray on the ThreeBond, a general spray. WD-40. So we can see that it is more effective when it is applied on a metal compared to the ceramic tile. Alright, so it is also a fast dry compound, if you see. So if you notice that it cleans quite almost remove every dirt away. Now that is basically it's cold, it's quite cold on the plate, right? Same goes to here. This is after spraying with ThreeBond cleaner, and you can see there's still very much slightly of residue or residue which is remains on the Q plate, right? It is also same. You see it's cold. It's quite cold though, the surface of the plate now. So well, I'll leave this to the viewers to judge. Alright, thank you.